Are you also having a reinsurance company? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your reinsurance company business. So as an owner of a reinsurance company, I'm receiving multiple WhatsApp messages on regular basis from existing customers as well as new partners. Now to automate the entire process of handling these inquiries, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow, that is all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool. So I'm going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow that is going to handle all the WhatsApp messages and the inquiries that I am receiving 24/7 and also going to automate the responses for me in such a way that every time I'm going to receive a new WhatsApp message, automatically a reply is going to be sent in the personalized format. Not only this, but also I'm going to collect the details of my customers as well as partners, and the details will be automatically added in my Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation and entire process step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your reinsurance company. So as an owner of a reinsurance company, I am receiving WhatsApp messages and inquiries on regular basis. I need to handle all the inquiries, but they are of different segments. Therefore, it is confusing. So in order to automate the entire process, I have created an amazing WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Chatflow that is going to help me to automate the responses and entire communication with my clients and my partners. Not only this, but I'm also collecting the details of my partners and adding them directly in my Google Sheets without any manual efforts. So before moving forward towards learning this entire process step by step, first of all, let me show you how it actually works. So this is the WhatsApp number of Global Secure Reinsurance, that is my business. And as a random customer or a client, I'm going to send a message over here. Let's say, "Hi, I need help." You can see I got an instant reply over here as soon as I've sent a message. "Hello, welcome to Global Secure Reinsurance Services. We provide custom reinsurance solutions for insurers, brokers, and financial institutions. How can we assist you today?" We have 3 buttons over here. If I'm going to click on the button Services, if I want to know about the services they are providing. So you can see it is providing me the services that they are providing. For detailed service overview, schedule a call. If I'm going to click on this call button, it is providing me the details that how I can schedule a call, 30 minutes call. If I want to partner with your company, and I'm going to click on the button Partner with Us. So first of all, it is asking me my name. Let's say I'm going to give the name as Test Client. So now it is saying, "Great Test Client." It is addressing me with my name. "Please share your email." As I'm providing the email, let's say. So you can see now it is asking me my company name. I'm giving a random company name as New Company, let's say. Now it is asking me reinsurance required. So let's say I'm providing treaty reinsurance I want. Now it is asking me my area. It is saying, "Thank you, Test Client. We got your details and now very soon our team will connect with you." So in this way, it is actually going to work. It is going to provide the details. As soon as I am clicking on a button, I am receiving the details according to that. Okay, if I have clicked on the button Docs, I got the required documentation for onboarding. Okay, now I'm going to take you towards Google Sheets, and here you can see that as soon as we have received the details of the clients, we got the record over here. Test Client, the email is here, the reinsurance type, company name, and the area. So in this way, the record will also be created. Now let's start learning this amazing automation and the entire process of creating this WhatsApp chatbot for our business step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we have 2 simple options, sign in and sign up free. So in case if you are an existing user like me, simply click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, not only this, but you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software. Also to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistants, and other amazing features of Pabbly Chatflow according to your requirements. Currently, as an existing user, I am going to click on sign in option. Now this is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, the number of credits that are remaining in our account, also the WhatsApp number that we have added. Okay, if you're having multiple WhatsApp numbers in your same account, you can also save the numbers by creating separate folders over here. Now, if you want to learn the setup of Pabbly Chatflow and how to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, for that you can go towards add WhatsApp number. We have both the methods over here, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method. If you want to learn about any of the method, we have separate video tutorials for them that are uploaded on our channel. If you want, I'm also going to attach the link of both the videos in my description. All right. From the left side here, you can see we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have inbox management, contact section, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistants, activity logs, settings, and get help. For each of these amazing features, we have separate detailed tutorials. So if you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, just go and watch the video anytime from our YouTube channel. All right, now let's start creating the chatbot for our business. For that, first of all, we have to go towards the flow section. So after coming on the flow section, here we have the number of flows that we have created in our account. We have active flows, inactive flows over here. You can see, you can check the status of active flows and inactive as well. Now to start with the flow, let's click on this add flow button. A blank flow is created over here, which we have to prepare in order to set up our bot. You have to keep in mind that the bot that we are going to create for our business is going to be based totally on the flow that we are creating over here, because the flow is going to decide the chronological order of the messages that are to be sent on the basis of the response of our customers or clients. All right. Now, first of all, I'm going to give the name to my bot. WhatsApp chatbot for your reinsurance company. After giving the name to my flow, now I'm going to decide that how I want my flow to start, either by keywords, template, or by regex. So if you want that your flow should start every time you're going to receive some specific keywords, so you can enter those keywords over here. If you want that you have sent a template, when you're going to receive the reply on that template, then your flow should start. So you can select the template you want to send. Or you can do one more thing. If you want that whenever you're going to receive any kind of messages, whether it is a text message, a paragraph, some words, emojis, or even a symbol, then your flow should start. So you can go for adding regex. Regex is regular expressions, which helps us to identify the messages of the customers or our clients that we are receiving on WhatsApp and start the flow automatically. We have multiple kind of regex, but here I'm going to use a specific one that is going to help me that every time I'm going to receive any kind of message, it will help my flow to start automatically. So the regex that I'm going to use over here is this. Okay. You can also use the same regex if you also want to do the same as I want. Now let's move forward. As soon as I'm going to start my flow, as soon as my flow is going to start, first of all, I'm going to send a message and I will provide the detailed instruction about my business. Also some of the options that what they want to explore. So here I'm going to enter the message as, hello, welcome to Global Secure Reinsurance Services. We provide custom reinsurance solutions for insurers, brokers, and financial institutions. How can we assist you today? You can see that here in the introduction, I have made some of the details bold that are important and I want to highlight by adding stars like this. Okay. Now I'm going to provide them the buttons so that they can select the buttons according to their interest and preference. First button is for the services. If the customers or the clients want to look on the services that we are providing. The second button is if they want to become the partners. So the second button is partner with us. And the third button is if they want to know about the documents that are required. Okay, so here we have three buttons. For each of the button, I'm going to send separate message. If they want to look and explore about the services, so I'm going to send them a media message that is going to contain the catalog of our messages of our services. And here the media type will be image in my case. But if you want to send any media message along with video, document, or audio, you can also select that. Now, as I've selected image as the media type, I'm going to insert the image over here by uploading it directly from the computer. But if you want, you can also paste the URL in order to insert the image. I have uploaded the image from the computer. And now I'm going to enter the caption as, for detailed service overview, schedule a call. And I'm going to enter. And here I'm going to attach the button as call. If they are going to click on the button call, so I'm going to send them the details. Let's connect over a call to understand your needs better. Please use the link below to book a time with our business advisor. Here we have the Calendly link. For 30 minutes, they can book a call and understand each and every detail about our services. Also, they can tell theirs. We are going to move forward towards the next button, that is partner with us, if the person wants to become our partner. But before that, let's save the flow first. Keep saving the flow as you're moving forward to make it updated. Now, the next button is partner with us. So here, in order to make the person partner, I'm going to collect their details. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to ask their details as, to ask their details, I'm going to use question. And here I've dragged the question step like this, and I'm going to send a message to them as, We welcome strategic partnerships with insurers and intermediaries. Please share the following details to begin onboarding. First of all, I want their name. So I've entered name over here. I have made it bold. To collect the details and save them permanently, I'm going to use contact custom field as full name. And here that format will be text. If you want to provide the reattempt chance to your customers or to your clients, you can provide the number over here and the validation message. Now, how to select contact custom field? From the left side here we have settings option, and here we have contact custom fields. When you will go towards it, you can add as many details as you want to collect in your contact custom fields. When you're going to receive the replies from your customers or from your clients with these details such as full name, if I'm going to ask email and other details, those details will be automatically and permanently added in contact section of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And further in my communications, I will be also using them in order to make my communications more personalized. Also, apart from this, we can share these details that we are collecting to any other application regarding our business requirements with the help of API. That also I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, so now as I'm going to collect the name further, I'm going to ask their email. So again, I'm going to ask a question over here and I will enter. Great. And here to make this personalized, I'm going to enter a $sign and I will enter contact custom field like this with a $sign. So it has become bold and it has become variable with the help of $sign. Automatically it will get replaced with every new response, with every new person to whom we are chatting. And now I'm going to enter, please share your email. I want to collect the email. So I'm going to select email over here from contact custom field and I will select email as the format. Then the next I'm going to ask company name. For that also I'm going to select the question step like this and I will enter your company name. So I will select company name over here and then here the format will be text again. And then I want the fourth detail, type of reinsurance they want. So here I'm going to enter the message as type of reinsurance required. And here I'm going to select reinsurance type from contact field that I've added specifically. And it is going to be in format of text. Okay. Now I want their location or their area. So I'm going to again ask a question. Area, and here I'm going to select area as the contact custom field. Okay, so as I'm collecting these details, I also want to create a record of these details such as the name of the partner, their company name, their email address, reinsurance required, and the area in my Google Sheets. For that, I am going to build the connection between the flow that I'm creating and my Google Sheets. And for that, we are going to simply use API request. Let's drag it down like this. We will connect it with the previous step with the last message in which we are asking the details. And here we have to provide the webhook URL. To get this webhook URL, I will take you towards Pabbly Connect. We require Pabbly Connect setup. So we will go back towards the accounts app, all apps section where we have all the applications of Pabbly. Here you can see we have Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And here we can click on this create workflow. I'm going to give the name of my bot over here to the workflow as well. And I will save it in the folder where I'm managing all the leads. Okay, let's click on create. The workflow is created and now we are going to go towards a new screen. A blank workflow is created for us which we have to fill up. So we will be filling up in order to set up the automation. Okay, now here we have trigger and action. Trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the workflow actually works. Here we have trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. For example, here I want that every time I'm going to receive the details of my clients, of my partners that are interested from the flow when they are going to respond, automatically the details should be recorded in my Google Sheets. For that, here because the flow is created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to take trigger as Pabbly Chatflow, and because I want to create the record in Google Sheets, the action will be Google Sheets. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, so we'll see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means whenever a new response is received from a new client through Pabbly Chatflow, through the flow, then automatically the details will be recorded in Google Sheets and not before that. So now let's start creating this automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step. And here we have to select Pabbly Chatflow. So let's quickly select that. Then we have to select the action event. So every time I'm going to receive a new message from flow, then I want that response to be captured over here and the workflow should start. We have received a webhook URL that we require. So let's simply copy it. I will take you towards Pabbly Chatflow, and here we are going to go towards the API request where we require webhook URL. We've already copied it, so let's go towards webhook URL field, and first of all let's paste the URL like this over here. With the help of this URL, we are going to build the connection between our flow and Pabbly Connect, so that every time we are going to receive the details of the clients through the flow, the details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. How it will be captured? With the help of the request method post, because we want to post the details towards Pabbly Connect with the help of the webhook URL. After doing this, we have to select all the key and parameters that we want. So first of all, I want full name. So here I'm going to select full name as a key, and from the drop down of contact custom field, I'm going to select full name. Then the next I want is the email. I've entered it, and the next I want email. So I'm going to simply select email. Then I want company name, and here I'm going to select company name. Then next I want is reinsurance type. I'm going to select the same, and then I want the area. As I've added all the details, now let's click on test to send the test response towards Pabbly Connect. Let's click on save, and I will take you back towards Pabbly Connect. As the response is received over here, we can see that the connection is built. We have received the test response because here we have clicked on test button. Okay, so now let's move forward. We are going to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect to create a record over there. The action event will be add new row. So first of all, I'm going to build a new spreadsheet in front of you. So here we have added the details. This is my spreadsheet with the name as new clients. I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to build the connection between the spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect. I will create a new connection by simply selecting my account like this. And here, when I'm going to provide the permission to Pabbly Connect in order to access my Google Sheets, my data is successfully authorized, and you can see that the connection is built. Now here the spreadsheet is selected. We have the sheet name as well. One by one, we have to enter the details. We will be mapping the details to make it dynamic and automatically get replaced every time according to new response and automate the entire process. First of all, let's map the full name over here. Then we will map the email address that we have received. These details are sample details, but when we are going to run the flow in real time, when we will be receiving the real details, the real data will be entered in Google Sheets. Then we have the reinsurance type, then we have the company name, and then we have the area. Okay, let's click on save and send test request button. We got the response. I will take you towards my Google Sheets, and you can see that the record is added over here. This means that the connection is built. Now let's move forward. As I'm going to receive these details, I will send a message to my clients. Thank you, full name. We got your details, and now very soon our team will connect with you. Okay, let's save the flow up till here. Keep saving the flow. And now we'll be moving forward towards the next button that we have. That is for documents. Okay, if they want to know about what all documents to be submitted. So I'm going to provide them the details regarding that. Required documentation for onboarding. We have the documentation over here. Okay, in bullets, and here you can see, please email your documents to this email account, and here we have, you can also upload the documents over here. Meanwhile, if they want to call us, so I'm going to provide them the button of calling us, and if they are selecting this button, I'm going to connect this button with the exact message where I'm providing them how to schedule the call. So the flow is ready. I'm going to quickly save it, and now we'll take you towards WhatsApp. We will check whether the flow that we have created is properly working or not. You can see that this is the WhatsApp number of Global Secure Reinsurance, the name of my business, and here as a client I'm going to send a message. Hi, share the details please. You can see I got the response. Hello, welcome to Global Secure Reinsurance Services, and with the buttons as we have added. This means that the flow is actually working fine, and now very easily we can create this amazing flow without any coding and programming skills for our business. Also, we can collect the details and add the details automatically in Google Sheets. So I hope this entire automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.